Welcome to this presentation on structural insights into pre-pore intermediates of alpha-hemolysin in the lipidic environment. This research was conducted by Arnab Chatterjee and team from Molecular Biophysics Unit and Department of Biochemistry, Indian Institute of Science, and published in Nature Communications in July 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Staphylococcus aureus releases cytotoxic pore-forming toxins that damage cell membranes during infection. Understanding the interaction, interfaces, and pore-forming mechanisms is crucial. This study investigates the structural and biophysical properties of alpha-hemolysin, a beta PFT, in a lipidic environment, focusing on pre-pore intermediates. Wild type alpha HL was purified and its functional activity was confirmed via hemolytic assays, liposomes of varying lipid chain lengths and compositions such as 10-PC, egg-PC cholesterol, egg-PC sphingomyelin were prepared. Native staining transmission, electron microscopy, and total internal reflection fluorescence microscopy were employed to observe liposome reorganization and toxin-induced membrane damage in real time. We elucidated 8 cryo-EM structures of wild-type alpha-HL with various liposomes, revealing pore, pre-pore, and late pre-pore conformations. Shorter chain length liposomes 10-PC showed increased rupture in the presence of alpha-HL, facilitating the formation of pre-pore and pore structures. Egg-PC cholesterol liposomes, with a thicker bilayer, stabilize the complete pore structure with less membrane rupture. This study provides unprecedented structural insights into the conformational transitions of alpha HL during pore formation in a lipidic environment. Unlike previous studies that often relied on mutated variants or detergent solubilized toxins, we captured various heptameric states of wild type alpha HL directly interacting with liposomes. The observed TMS-less pre-pore conformation represents a novel finding. This research elucidates the structural basis of alpha HL pore formation by capturing various intermediate conformations in a lipidic environment. We demonstrate that lipid composition, specifically chain length and membrane rigidity introduced by sphingomyelin, critically influences the equilibrium between pre-pore and pore states. Key lipid binding residues and the essential role of the N-terminal segment in oligomerization and pore formation were identified.